Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tie the blood knot. Begin by placing the two lines parallel to each other. Hold the intersection point and wrap one line around the other 5 or 6 times. Pass the excess line end through the gap created by the intersecting lines. Repeat the wrapping and threading process with the other line. Ensuring the tag end passes through the gap in the opposite direction of the first wrap. Moisten the lines with water or saliva. Gently pull on both main lines and the tag ends to tighten the knot gradually. Once the knot is secure, carefully trim the excess line ends. If desired, use a lighter to carefully melt the trimmed ends, preventing fraying. Your blood knot is now complete and ready for your next fishing adventure. Please subscribe and like the video to show your support. Interesting facts about the blood knot. The name blood knot is thought to have originated from its resemblance to blood vessels and the symbolism of a strong blood bond, though this belief varies across cultures, with most agreeing on this interpretation. Studies have shown that the blood knot retains a high percentage of the original line strength, making it one of the strongest knots. It is a good multi-purpose knot that can be used in various applications such as camping, survival activities, and climbing. Remember, practice makes perfect. With dedication and practice, you'll be tying blood knots like a seasoned angler in no time. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content.
Fin Fishing TV.